Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the types of data transmission. Data can transfer. How can data transfer from one place to another place? There are two types of data transmission: parallel transmission and serial transmission. What is parallel transmission? Parallel transmission, a method of transmission in which group of bit or can be sent by at the same time in multiple wires are called a transmission. Group of data can send at a same time on a single wire. A multiple wires at a time is called parallel transmission. It is usually unidirectional. Each data is separated by line. The internal transfer of data in a computer system use parallel mode. The data transmission between computer and printer is doing using parallel transmission. Parallel transmission faster because all bits are transferred at a time. Serial transmission, a method of transmission in which data is sent one bit at a time, is called serial transmission. The character bits are sent sequentially. Serial transmission is no parallel transmission of data is at bit at a time. Telephone lines use this method of data transmission. Each of individual set formation along the communication path. Ex- in data transmission, there are also two types of synchronous transmission and asynchronous and synchronous transmission. What is asynchronous and it what is purpose? How can it work? Types of transmission in which data is transmitted character by character. The time interval between character is not seen. The character can be transmitted at a irregular interval. It is less efficient and slower than synchronous transmission. The asynchronous transmission use start or stop bit. The start signal is sent when character is about to be transmitted. A start bit has a value of 0. It is called space state of value. Data character is about to be transferred. It alerts a receiver and it ready to receive the character. The stop bit value is transmitted at the end of each character. It confirms the receiver the character is finished. It has a binary value 1. A value 1 is start bit, a character in the right scar mark value. Synchronous transmission. Type of synchronous transmission data is transferred block by block. Is called and each block may consist of character. The time interval between character is same. That it does not stop. It use clock interval to control the bit being set. A large amount of information can be transmitted in a single line with the line of a transmission. Synchronous transmission is much faster than asynchronous transmission between there is no gap between the character. The transmission is more remote communication between a computer and related devices like a printer. Basically, the difference is that of asynchronous and synchronous. Data is transmitted character by character in asynchronous में synchronous data is transmitted block by block. The sender and receiver are not synchronized with each other in asynchronous. Data and sender and receiver are synchronized with each other in synchronous transmission. The time interval between character are not fixed. The time interval character are fixed in asynchronous mission. It used start or stop bit to control the data transfer. It uses clock interval to being the data stand. It provides less efficient and slower data transmission. It is more efficient as well. What is bandwidth, baseband, and broadband? Bandwidth. The amount of data can be transferred through a communication medium is known as bandwidth. The bandwidth of digital signal is measured in megabits per second. The bandwidth of is cycles per second or hertz. Baseband. Baseband is the communication technique in which digital signals are placed in a transmission line without change in modulation. It means that the signals are sent without transmitter line. It transmits only one signal at a time. Digital signal commonly called baseband signal. Broadband. What is broadband? Broadband is a technique to transmit large amount of data such as voice and video over a long distance. It can send data by modulating each signal at a different frequency. It transmits several stream of data same frequency (FDM) frequency division multiplexing technique. For communication is at a smaller frequency band. Each part of the communication line can be used for transmitting Separately, broadband is faster than broadband baseband. Please like to my channel, subscribe and like and good comment. Take it. Be aware. Awesome. Okay. Bye.